Hello kids, let's learn the colors. Red color, chocolate color, black color, green color, blue color, purple color, yellow color, and red color. Now let's learn the alphabet and the numbers. A for angel. B for boy. C for cat. D for doll. E for eagle. F for 5. G for grapes. H for house. I for igloo. J for jellyfish. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for owl. P for pencil. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for time. U for uniform. V for violin. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for York. Z for zebra. What you learn? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's learn the numbers. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. And number 10. What we learned? We learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.